Nan, bago kabalan, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. Isa siguro sa pinakasikat na term na naimbento ngayong pandemic ay ang word na pasabay. I still remember last year when karamihan sa atin, totally nagkaroon lang lockdown dito po sa atin. Napaka-limited lamang ng mga access na pagpupunta sa mga groceries, sa palengke. Yung mga taong may access doon, nagkaroon sila ng idea na what if isabay namin yung mga necessities ninyo until such time na nagkaroon na ng iba-ibang coin or nagkaroon na ng iba-ibang term for pasabay. Meron ng SNR Pasabay, Divisoria Pasabay, meron ng Dubai Pasabay, and naging popular nga yung word na pasabay. So fast forward ngayong araw na to, may mga pagkakataon na limited pa rin tayo sa access natin sa isang establishment, or tayo rin mismo hindi tayo makalabas dahil meron tayong responsibility sa bahay, kaya pasabay pa rin tayo dyan. Now, good thing, ang feature natin sa araw na nito ay si My Online Shop Pasabuy, which is a homegrown service provider dito po sa Pampanga na nagpo-provide ng ating mga food cravings. So, most of the time, ang mga merchant po ni My Online Shop Pasabuy o ni MOS Pasabuy ay mga food cravings natin. So if you notice guys, sa table natin, ito yung mga usual nating kinikrave na kahit nasa bahay ka lang, parang nagkikrave ako ng hopia, nagkikrave ako ng honey cannoli, or nagkikrave ako ng mga delicacies ni Ribonettes. So good thing, si My Online Shop Pasabuy, meron po siyang mga list of merchants na you can choose from, and then pwede po tayong magpasabay sa kanya. So ang advocacy po ng MOS Pasabuy ay to gather these delicacies, these food cravings natin from different provinces. For example, Manila and other neighboring provinces natin dito sa Pampanga. And then, kung nag-crave tayo doon, pwede nating pasabay sa kanila. Let's check out yung mga list ng mga current, kumbaga, suki merchant store nila as of this vlog. So, meron tayong cream cheese series, bread and pastries, meron tayong Ribonette products, Lola Nenas. Yan, good. Meron din tayong Tim Hortons. Wow! So, hindi na lang tayo local, ha? Tokyo Milk Cheese Factory, Big Al's, Homey Cannoli, Ube Decadence, Becky's Kitchen, Etchage Bakery, Tarlac #1 Cinnamon Roll in assorted flavors. So, meron din tayong mga Nueva Vizcaya Bundok, Buko Roll. So, as I mentioned earlier guys, pinaka-goal ni MOS Pasabuy is to gather these food cravings from different provinces and maging available po siya sa atin. So what it does, nagpo-post po siya sa fan page nila. So make sure to check out their fan page, which is this one. Ayan. On a daily basis, they do get your orders and then they will schedule kung kailan po natin pwedeng ma-avail yung ating order. You can mention if it's delivery or meet up, and may mga partner courier po siya, which is Grab and Lalamove. On the other hand, kung gusto mo naman mag-bulk orders at mag-reseller ka sa mga products, available po sa kanila yan. They do give discounts for bulk orders. So they do ship yung mga favorite delicacies natin to abroad. So internationally, makakarating din po yung mga order natin kung sakasakaling may gusto kang padalan sa abroad, or you're watching this from abroad and you want to buy from the merchants ni MOS Pasabuy, yan, mapapadala po sa inyo yan kahit nasa abroad ka. So there you have it guys. If you are a customer who is looking for your food cravings and gusto mo lang magstay sa bahay, pa-deliver yung mga food cravings na to, make sure to check out MOS Pasabuy. Or if you are a merchant and you want to be included sa list ng mga merchants nila, so those merchants are going to be advertised. At the same time, expansion din ng business mo dahil mag-order sila sa'yo, make sure to check out MOS Pasabuy. So that's My Online Shop Pasabuy. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends if this is helpful sa'yo. Again, we appreciate if you give this video a like or a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out guys. Bye!